Hello boys and girls, and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean your headlights from being foggy and cloudy, that fail MOTs, like what's happened to this, into making them basically brand new. There's a few tips out there that people always go on about, and that's using a toothpaste and a toothbrush. You can clean your lights up with your toothbrush and toothpaste. I did that. Well, I'm going to show you what happens when you do that and to get them to look brand new. So, this is what you do. A lot of people will be applying it straight to the toothbrush and then applying it over the face of the light. It's not the best way to do it. What you do with toothpaste, is put it on the toothbrush and then you brush your teeth. So you got to get lots. Super lot. I mean, as much as you can. Oh no, that's some fun. It's really good. What you have to do then is you spray it on there, because it's activated in your mouth. Because that's what it's supposed to do. Okay? And once it's applied, we'll start rubbing it in. Little circles, round and round, like that. Come back to me in a bit and I'll let you know how we're getting on. Right, we've been working at it quite a bit now. Let's have a look, see what you guys think. There we go. Doesn't that look good? Show you it here. I mean, it looks brand new, doesn't it? That's the old one. This is the new one. You know, what have I done? Let's be honest. I've brushed my teeth with the toothbrush and toothpaste, and the light is like new. And I'll show you the trick of how you make the light look like new. You go out and you buy a new light. Using a toothbrush and toothpaste is going to do nothing, let's be honest. It's abrasive. If you could clean your teeth, if you could get all the yellow off your teeth just by brushing them one time like that, then that is the toothpaste that I need to buy. So, if you want to get it to look like new like this, go out and buy some new lights. That's my tip of the day. Don't be cheap, get the lights. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thanks for now.